Next slide. So, for the philosophy of regeneration, nourish, cleanse, to create balance. So, you always have to nourish the cells. Remember, you feed the cells, not your body. Kasi sometimes, kakain tayo ngayon, uso-uso palagi, buffet, unli, eat all you can, di ba? Ang tendency, kadamihan ko, sayang. Diba? So, you just eat to feed yourself. Then, cleanse your body. Imagine po yung aircon. Aircon is not functioning well. Diba? If you just clean it, parang mahina pa rin. Or if you just put Freon, hindi malilinis, parang mahina pa rin ang buga. Diba? You need to clean, put a little Freon, parang bago na. So, ganun lang po. Diba? So again, as I mentioned, the 5 elements would be your fire, earth, metal, water, and wood. This would correspond. The fire would respond to your endocrine. Earth would be their digestive. Spleen, stomach, pancreas, metal, respiratory, lung, large intestine. Water would be your bladder, urinary bladder, and your kidney. Wood would be your liver and gallbladder. So the 5 main systems of the body must be nourished and cleansed with the right nutrients. The healthy balance among the individual elements create a strong and harmonious whole. So, nourish the 5, strengthen the 5, the whole will be healthy. That's according to Dr. Chen Hao, the founder of Sunlight. So, this is my favorite. Sabi ko, minsan simple lang ang maging healthy if you would stick to it. So, for nourishment, my favorite would be New Plus. It uses nanotechnology. When I went to Sunrider in the US, they use the same technology that the astronauts use. Sa space po, bawal lang magluto. Diba? Sa sabo ng spaceship. So they just powderize the food para kakainin na lang ng astronauts. So it's the same technology that they use to powderize the herbs, the vitamins, the fruits, the vegetables, and create the balance. So you could eat it raw, or you could put water in it to make like a porridge. That's for nourishment. For cleansing, my favorite would be Fortune Light. It's available here. So instead of soda, coffee, iced tea, it's a very good alternative because you'll be nourished at the same time you will be cleansing your body of your fats, cholesterol, uric acid. Marami po ang patient, ang tataas ng uric, colchicine, febusoxate. So, yan ang bibigay ko and exercise, okay na. So, because if you take those medicines for a long period, baka naman yung kidney mo masira. Diba? But, sasabihin ng doctor, to protect the kidney, kasi excess uric could also affect the kidney. But you give a medicine that could also affect the kidney. But it's quite ironic. So, better go back to natural, give Fortune the Light, and let the patient exercise. And for balance, we mentioned kanina yung 5 elements po. Now, Kinary would help balance that already. It's a combination of the 5 elements. Diba? So, if you're not sure what just give Kinary. Diba? If the patient is healthy, just give Kinary to help maintain the balance. So, as I've said, New Plus, it's highly concentrated, it's a powerhouse powder. It helps nutritional gaps, very good for young adults, busy adults, and those who would like snacking. Fortune Delight is an herbal drink, no sugar, no caffeine, very rich in antioxidant. It helps detox and hydrate, and very good para dun sa mga mahilig mag-milk tea, iced tea, or drinks na, Then for balance nga, it's Kinary. It's 50 herbs concentrated. So it helps maintain the balance. So those are the 3 of my favorite products of Sunrider. Okay, next one. So you just try to create a balance. Remember po, health is the most important investment, especially if you're in my age now. I'll be turning 60. So after 50, the best investment now would be to invest in your health. Kahit ang dami mong pera, if you're in a wheelchair, you will not enjoy that. Or you will just spend most of your money going to the doctor, paying the hospital, paying the laboratories, but might as well enjoy your old age. Kahit wala masyadong pera, but you're healthy, then I assure you, you would enjoy your life better. Diba? Sabi nga po kasi ang mahirap, health is not a priority. Do you know that 300 of our nurses are abroad? Diba? Just last year, 2024, we have insurance, PhilHealth, diba? Mga ibang insurance. But still, 615 billion out of pocket ang nagastos ng Pilipino last year for health services. 615 billion. Diba? And sa common Filipino household is the third item na pinagkakagastusan natin. Diba? Housing, food, mga electricity, then health. Diba? So, Western medicine kasi is very good. Hindi ho natin sinisiraan ng Western medicine. They are very good. But, ang mahirap po, dramatic pa kasi ang mga, diba? Hindi ka makahinga, may asthma ka, burn ka makahinga. Kaya, ang galing ng Western medicine. Nagsusuka ka, ang taas ng BP mo, sakit-sakit ng ulo mo. Dalay ka ng gamot sa you feel better. But it's very dramatic, it's still very good for emergency cases. But preventive medicine, ito yung silent victory. Ito yung chance mo na hindi ka atakihin sa puso. It's your chance to not develop diabetes, a chance to prevent cancer from developing. So it's a silent victory. Diba? Curative medicine is scary. It's dramatic. But preventive medicine is power. That is what we try to promote. That is what Sunlight is promoting. Maraming salamat.